Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Audi TT air vents. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need plastic trim removal tools, a T20 torque screwdriver, and a soft cloth. Prepare your workspace by ensuring it's clean and well lit, providing clear visibility for the task. To prevent any accidental damage, consider applying painter's tape around the vent area on your dashboard. This simple step helps protect the surrounding surfaces from scratches during the removal process. Next, we'll access the vent assembly. Begin by carefully prying off the side dashboard trim panel. Use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid marring the surface. Once that's off, you'll find two T20 torque screws. Remove these screws as they secure the main dashboard trim piece. With the screws out, gently pull the larger dashboard trim away from the dash. This action will reveal the air vent assembly, giving you clear access for the next steps. Now, let's focus on removing the air vent itself. Look closely at the vent's housing to identify any clips or additional screws that might be holding it in place. Often, there are several clips around the perimeter. Using your plastic trim tools, carefully release each of these securing clips one by one. Once all clips are disengaged, you can gently pull the entire air vent assembly straight out from the dashboard. Take your time to avoid damaging the vent or the dash. Finally, if you need to further disassemble the vent, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for illumination or vent controls. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse the removal steps. Ensure all clips engage securely and screws are tightened to their original positions. Double-check that everything is flush and functional before finishing up. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup. Thanks for watching and happy motoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.